In the bustling city of Mumbai, at the Hotel Westin, on the 28th of October 2023, a remarkable event took place. The Now and AMP Next Summit on Pharma Marketing, organized by the esteemed Dr. Swati and Dr. Satish from Pharma State Inc., unfolded a profound discourse on the future of pharma marketing. The event was meticulously curated by Dr. Jagmohan Singh Rishi, an expert in the field. Dr. Ashok Bhattacharya, a pioneering figure, called for a shift from illness to wellness. He emphasized the importance of a wellness-driven approach in the pharma industry, a vision that could revolutionize our perception of health and illness. Hari Ram Krishnan, a champion of purpose-driven leadership, gave us food for thought. He reminded us that the secret of success is constancy to purpose, and encouraged us to change our vocabulary. He proposed focusing on increasing retention rather than reducing attrition. He also highlighted the power of vulnerability and the strength in admitting, "I don't know." Suresh Patathil, a proponent of digital detox, urged us to stay adaptive. He acknowledged that the pharma industry might be lagging, but stressed the need to create engaging content to bridge the gap. Dr. Uday Pai, a vocal critic of cluttered interfaces, challenged the industry to prioritize quality over quantity. He warned of the pitfalls of not having data backup, emphasizing the importance of reliable information. Jasdeep Singh, a strategist with a simple vision, advocated for patient-centric approaches over revenue-centric ones. He stressed the power of one-line aspirations and choice-based marketing, reminding us of the iconic brands that have thrived on such strategies. Colonel Atul Suri, a digital visionary, asked us a vital question: are you a digital diva or a digital dinosaur? He urged us to invest in blockchain, heralding it as the future of the industry. Saurabh Agrawal, a believer in the power of co-creation, stressed the importance of continuity of content. He encouraged the transition from mere digitization to becoming truly digital. V. Vijayendran, a staunch advocate of scientific communication, reminded us that theoretical knowledge is the gateway to practical application. He emphasized that scientific communication holds immense power in pharma marketing. Pawan Kulkarni, a digital evangelist, made a bold statement: "Digital doesn't require pharma, pharma requires digital." He encouraged us to check our brand online and questioned the decision-making power of those unfamiliar with digital. The key speakers of the summit emphasized the need for training on digital customized marketing campaigns, user-generated content, and a focus on the patient-user journey. They presented a cheat sheet on personalization of communication, emphasizing the collection of data, implicit data, and the importance of segmenting and micro-segmenting for personalized communication. These insights from the Now and AMP Next Summit are just a tip of the iceberg. Apologies to many speakers as we could not include everyone's thoughts. However, a new summit is on the horizon, another opportunity to explore, learn, and grow. Another chance to ask ourselves, are we digital divas or digital dinosaurs? Remember, the future of pharma marketing is now. Are you ready?